So guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be taking you guys through on how to remove write protected from your pen drive. So this is what I mean by having write protected on your drive. You can't do anything to the drive. You can't format, and you can't delete what's the name, anything from the drive too as well. All these options, the delete, remove options, are all gone. So I'll be taking you guys through on how to remove the write protected from your pen drive. So there's this application I came across on the internet, that's the disk drill. So I'll leave a link in the description so that anyone that needs it can download and install. But I will not be taking you guys through on how to install it. It's just a straightforward, easy to install application. So I'll just take you guys through how to remove the write protected from the drive. So first, you open the application. You should see these options on your left. That's data recovery and extra tools. We will not be using extra tools. So you go to storage, and when you click on storages, you will see you have write or that's being write protected. So in order to solve this issue, this software has an option that you can just right click on it on application and make it writable. So you just click on these options here, make writable. You should see the RO gone. So now you can go back to your drive and delete anything that you want to do. So now you can see the delete option is back. So you just click on delete here, and you should successfully delete the file or folder from your pen drive. So there's a little trick that I came across, and thank you guys for watching my videos, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you.